Oh my god, I've never seen anything like this in my life. Oh. Guys! Okay, this came out of nowhere, and there goes the power. Holy there's a tornado right there.
Holy oh my god, a tornado just hit our house. Adam, the roof is gone.
Across the region throughout the afternoon, but downgraded those warnings across Ontario in the hours after the storm tore through Barrie. In the hours after the tornado touched down, Barrie residents took to social media, posting photos and videos of Toronto, said they were responding to multiple reports of damage in the southeast part of the city, and paramedics were treating people who had been hurt after the tornado touched down, around 2:30 p.m. Thursday. The damage is catastrophic, it is significant, it is major, Barrie police spokesperson Peter Leon said, urging people to stay away from the area. Environment Canada had issued tornado warnings across destruction caused by the storm. Many homes had damage to roofs, backyards and fences. A tornado caused catastrophic damage when it tore through Barrie, Ontario, Thursday afternoon, leaving several people injured and causing serious damage to property. Police in Barrie, which is about 115 kilometers north